Today we're going to look at grammar. Everyone is confused by grammar, are you? Today we're going to look at conjunctions. Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking in depth at grammar. Subordinating conjunctions. These are the words that are used to join a subordinating clause to another clause or sentence. He was annoyed. The train had stopped. By adding because, we can link the subordinating clause, the train had stopped, with the main clause, he was annoyed. He was annoyed because the train had stopped. So because there was the subordinating conjunction. Let's look at some more. We're going to start with because. We use because to give a reason. Why do I make videos? Is the question. You're watching YouTube at the moment, so why do I make videos? I make them because I want people to learn. So hopefully you're learning from this video. Although, we use although to introduce a contrast. I upload video lessons on YouTube, although it can be challenging sometimes. So that's the contrast. It is challenging doing video lessons for you guys, but I still upload them. While. We use while when there is a contrast or for time. I give lessons on YouTube while balancing other responsibilities. So I've got the family to deal with, I've got notes to write up about students, I teach online, but I also prepare lessons and put them onto YouTube. So I give lessons on YouTube while balancing other responsibilities. Okay, so now we're going to look at coordinating conjunctions. Now, these are joining words that link together parts of a sentence. They can also be used to join clauses in a sentence. Here's the first one. And. We use add to include more ideas. So we use it to add more ideas. I teach children and adults in my class. So if you've had a lesson with me or you'd like a lesson, drop it in the comments box or send me an email. I leave my information on the profile page of YouTube. So I teach children and adults in my classes. Or. When we use or, it offers us a choice. Beginner or elementary or intermediate. You can choose to study basic English or academic English in my classes. So I do have the pure beginners and we start off very slowly, and I also have the intermediate and pre-advanced doing IELTS courses. So you can choose to study basic English or academic English in my classes. But shows contrast. Well, you can see the CER4 levels in English. You can choose to study basic English or academic English in my classes, but both options will help you improve your language skills. So no matter which one you choose, they both will help you in your language skills. So you can choose basic English or academic English, but both options will help you improve your language. Yet. We use yet for an unexpected contrast. So learning English can be challenging yet it's incredibly rewarding. So that is the information you need for coordinating conjunctions, all conjunctions in general, subordinating conjunctions. In our next class, we will be having a quiz. As you see there is a quiz coming up. If you want to pause the video now, you can. But if you want to continue, let's go to the next part of the class. Fill in the blanks using the correct conjunction. Number 1. I started going to the park. It started raining. I wanted to go to the park. It started raining. She studied hard. She passed the test. She studied hard. She passed the test. Number 3. Do you want coffee? Do you want tea? Coffee. I said coffee first because that's what I usually have. Do you want tea? Coffee. Number 4. I was tired. I went to bed early. Fill in those blanks. Here's the next ones. Number 5. We stayed inside. It was too cold to go out. We stayed inside. It was too cold to go out. Number 6. You practice. You will improve your English. You practice. You will improve your English. Number 7. I like chocolate. I don't eat it often. Okay, I hope you filled in the gaps in those questions using those conjunctions. Now let's look at the answers. If you don't want to look at the answers yet, pause the video, fill in those blanks, and you can start the video when you're finished. Here's the answers. Number 1. I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. Number 2. She studied hard and she passed her test. She studied hard and she passed her test. Number 3. Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Number 4. I was so tired. I went to bed early. I was so tired, so I went to bed early. I hope you got all of those correct. Number 5. We stayed inside because it was too cold to go out. While you practice, you will improve your English. And 7. Although I like chocolate, I don't eat it often. Congratulations, you've completed the lesson on conjunctions. I hope you got them all right. If you have any questions you'd like to ask me, just drop me a message in the comments box and I'll get back to you real soon. This guy looks happy. He's solved his problems. He's not confused anymore. I hope you're not confused. You've learned conjunctions today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a follow if you really enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you again real soon. Bye bye for now.